Mina's dream was sky high. With all her father's pension money, she opened a shiny restaurant in the heart of the city, but due to lack of experience and a wrong location, within just 6 months, Mina's dream turned into a nightmare. It was a mistake for a woman to try running such a big business. I made a mistake starting big. This time, I will start from zero. Can you do a better price on the green mangoes? I'm buying bulk.
Okay, only for you.
These are locally made, fresh pickles.
I think your customers would love them.
Sorry, we only stock established brands. Not interested. I just left you a great review. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That really helps.
I hope you enjoy the order. I know I will. I hope great things.
The quarterly results look excellent, so let's schedule that expansion meeting immediately. Mina learned packaging and branding. Handwritten papers were replaced by digital printed stickers.
We are excited to bring Mina's kitchen into your supermarkets.
We think it will be a great addition for our customers. This time, no one turned her away. Mina's pickles are now on the shelves of the city's top supermarkets. 20 women now work in her factory. Mina isn't just building her own fortune, but theirs too. One day, a bank offered her a loan, but Mina smiled and declined. I still can't believe it's gone.
We gave it everything we had, Mina.
Mother, if our restaurant hadn't closed that day, you wouldn't have come this far. 係面路會摩天龍喺度未嘢啩？本府限咗空話了你同土就就會他鬼，同接不等看。俺集團戰產，都未炒完產完出，俾你團成產，擺貼不本同這 says.
Start small, but keep your dreams big. Start small, but keep your dreams big. If you have determination, an empty pocket is no obstacle. Your willpower is your true capital.